Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Elmo document camera, the ABLEGRID AC adapter, specifically designed for models like the Elmo MO-1, MO-1W, 1337-1, and 1337-2. This isn't a genuine Elmo-branded product, but it's presented as a high-quality replacement, and that's exactly what we'll be exploring. Right off the bat, the design is described as modern, and it's important to note that these units are tested to ensure they arrive in great working condition. For a replacement product, compatibility is key, and ABLEGRID assures us this adapter is 100% compatible, even though it's non-OEM. This means users can expect it to seamlessly power their valuable Elmo document camera without any hiccups. The input voltage is quite versatile, accepting AC 100-240V, which makes it suitable for use almost anywhere in the world, a fantastic feature for educators or professionals who might travel with their equipment. Now, let's talk about safety and quality, which are paramount when dealing with electronics, especially those powering sensitive equipment like a document camera. The ABLEGRID charger boasts certifications like CE and RoHS standards, which are internationally recognized marks for safety and environmental compliance. This provides a significant layer of reassurance. Beyond basic functionality, this adapter comes packed with a suite of highly protective features. We're looking at overcharge protection, which prevents damage to the camera's internal battery or circuitry if left plugged in for extended periods. There's also overcurrent protection, safeguarding against sudden surges that could harm the device. Overvoltage protection ensures a stable power supply, preventing any spikes from reaching the camera. And finally, short-circuit protection is a critical feature, immediately cutting power in the event of a fault, protecting both the adapter and the connected Elmo camera from potential damage. These protections are not just buzzwords. They translate directly into peace of mind for the user, knowing their expensive equipment is being powered safely and reliably. The adapter uses a standard barrel connector, which is common for these types of devices, ensuring a snug and secure fit. For anyone who has lost or damaged their original Elmo power supply, or simply needs a reliable backup, the ABLEGRID AC adapter appears to be a very compelling option. It offers a robust set of features focused on safety and compatibility, all while providing the necessary power for those essential Elmo document cameras. It truly aims to be a dependable workhorse, keeping presentations and lessons running smoothly without interruption.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.